What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Galaxy S25 Ultra that won't update. So to fix this issue, first of all check your internet connection. So if your internet is working properly, then move to the next solution. But if the internet is not working, then first of all fix your internet connection. So to check, you can open a browser and then you can load a website to check if it's working properly or not. So if it's loading the website properly, then move to the next solution. Now the next solution to fix this issue is check for available space in your phone. So for that, open settings, scroll down, and here click on device care and then click on storage. Now in storage, check if you have a low storage space left, then delete some extra files to free up some space for the update. You can also empty your recycle bin to free up some space. And after freeing the storage space, if you are still facing the issue in updating your phone, then the last solution is try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon, then click on restart, and then again click on this restart icon to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, it will fix small software glitches that may be preventing you from update your phone. And after restarting, you will be able to update your phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.